Thank you. A Valley man first convicted of murder almost 30 years ago is now asking a judge to get off death row. Jerry Rodriguez was sentenced to death for hiring a hitman to kill two teens back in the 90s. Action News reporter Gabe Ferris was in court this afternoon as a judge heard the request from Rodriguez for a new sentence.
Nearly 30 years after being sentenced to death, Jerry Rodriguez is back in a Fresno County courtroom asking a judge for a new sentence.
Provide to me a list of the things that they believe I can and should consider.
In 1995, a jury convicted Rodriguez of robbing and killing two teenagers, AJ and Danny Hernandez. They had paid Rodriguez $2,000 for custom rims from his Visalia tire shop. But instead of delivering those rims, investigators discovered Rodriguez kept the money, then hired a hitman to kill the cousins at an orchard near Kingsburg.
Both of them had huge personalities, joyful, funny, pranksters that really loved their trucks.
At just 21 years old, Rodriguez was sentenced to death. Now, at 51, he's asking the judge to take him off death row. Since Rodriguez hired a hitman and didn't pull the trigger himself, a 2018 law could protect him if he wasn't a, quote, major participant in the crime. It's an argument Fresno County District Attorney Lisa Smitkamp tells Action News has no merit.
He was the catalyst. He was the one who set it up. He was the one who made the payment. He provided an incentive for the murderer to do the murders. And so how you could argue that he's not a principal participant is beyond me.
What happens is now up to Judge Heather Martle Jones. On Tuesday, she was supposed to hear from a key witness, the hitman hired to kill the boys. Stanley Michael Scala has previously pleaded guilty to murder, and he admitted guilt decades ago. But on Tuesday, he refused to answer questions.
Mr. Jerry Rodriguez hired you to kill those two boys?
I have nothing to say.
Okay. Would you remember that?
I have nothing to say.
The hearing will resume on Wednesday morning as the court decides how to handle Scala. Of course, it all comes as dozens of family members on both sides have to relive those tragic events of 30 years ago. Gabe Ferris, ABC 30, Action News.